Lagi na lang siya yung pumipigil sa success ko. I'm so flattered. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung mga kasabay ko na trends, but you know, just for my name to trend in the country, lalo na at hindi siya official hashtag or hindi siya finid. So for people to write my name enough times for me to trend, it's unbelievable for me. And I was so shocked kagabi nung nagsimula yun at nabalitaan ko. Mas lalo pa akong na-shock nung on the way here, I checked my phone and then nagtatrend ko rin. And I'm like, what? Kasi okay, hindi ko nakita, hindi ko pa na-compare. Yung actually, yung nakita ko pa nga, I was 2 spots above Satan. I was like, why is he trending, stealing my, why is he stealing my moment? But yeah, I was really shocked, lalo na nung papunta ako dito kasi mas mahirap yun gawin after 24 hours for the same word to trend again. Tsaka kung dati hirap na hirap ako mag-trend ng kunwari pag may gagawin ako, may i-feed ka ng hashtag. For that to happen naturally, I'm just shocked.
Silvian pa yung nagagawa.
Thank you, Celine.
Okay, balik ka sa Miss Provinciana, no?
Miss Provinciana na.
Okay. Tapos sabi itong movie, and what can you share sa Miss Provinciana?
Yes, so talagang tapos na ba? Or magdadagdag na? Sabihan mo lang ako, game naman kung dadagdagan na. But yes, tapos na siya. So, tulad nung sentiments ko dun sa Pulang Araw, this is also a project kasi that we can really learn a lot from. And that's why also gusto ko din ibigay yung best ko dito to make me as Miss Marge believable na all of the stressors na pinagdadaanan. The reason why this project is so important, one, it's an advocacy film, and marami siyang factors that it touches on. Kasi it's partly about mental health, and it's partly about empowering women and empowering yourself, not naman necessarily only women. Pero ginamit namin yung women empowerment para maintindihan din ng lahat na anyone can be empowered. It's, I think, if I were to encapsulate it in one sentence, it's about the limits that we have, the limits that we put on ourselves, and breaking those limits and barriers.
Okay, last question. Challenges na encounter mo sa paggawa ng Miss Provinciana Interesting?
Challenges? Well, siguro what was challenging for me was yung part nung tackling about mental health kasi you want to make it realistic but also sensitive to anyone who might be going through it. Kasi for me, who's not currently going through it, I didn't want to seem indifferent or inaarte lang, or that na hindi ko maintindihan what this breakdown is about. If I have a breakdown, it has to be clear, super clear to me what is happening inside me. Hindi yung parang nagpakita ka lang na, alam mo yun, nagwala lang.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Next question, sino gusto magtanong? Glenn. Glenn si Bong.
Hi!
Yeah, congratulations sa bagong project. Nagawa ka ba ng any research or immersion para ma-imbibe talaga yung role mo as Miss Provinciana?
Thank you so much. Actually, the best research that I can do, because this is a true story, is to talk to Miss Marge. Kasi she's the character that I'm portraying, and she can best explain to me what she went through at the time, just to make it more clear. Of course, just with the guidance of the script, Direk and Miss Marge, I felt that was all the stimulus that I needed. I mean, of course, I googled things here and there, pero I just feel like the best information is coming from my character herself.
Kasi syempre, sa nakikita namin dyan sa post, sa likod nila, backdrop niya, ano yung parang nire-reflect na role mo as Miss Provinciana? Kasi iba-iba yung interpretations ng pagiging probinsyana,
That's
diba?
true.
So, ano yung makikita namin, mapapanood namin?
Actually, ayun na nga yun eh. Yun yung minsan hindi natin realize na iba-iba ang probinsyana at iba-iba din ang mga city people. We're not all the same, di ba? I think it's really about how, ayun na nga, parang nilalagay mo sa kakon yung tao na dahil lumaki ka dyan, o dahil babae ka, o dahil hindi ka nakatapos, hanggang dito ka lang sa buhay. It's, it's about all limits that we put on women. And how, when we raise women, when we raise young girls, parang hindi natin nasasabi enough that they can do anything that they want. They can achieve anything that they want. They can be as successful and rich as they want without asking it from anyone else. So if there's anything na I want people to take away from this film, it's that we encourage young girls to believe that about themselves. Kasi the whole definition of empowerment is one person cannot empower another person. Empowerment is yourself and deciding for yourself.
So, si Marcia hindi aanga-angang probinsyana.
Yes, oo. At saka kahit anong sabi ng iba, kahit anong limitasyon ang ibigay sa kanya, gagawin niya kung ano ang gusto niya dahil alam niyang posible, dahil kilala niya sarili niya. It's not about, hindi, kilala ko yung mundo, ganito yung sistema sa mundo. Pag kilala mo sarili mo, lahat kaya mo.
Thank you.
Thank
Before
you.
I give the questions for Miss March and Direct JP. Anong pakiramdam na finally the movie is here?
Words aren't enough, I guess. Lagi kami nag-uusap ni Direk JP na parang it feels surreal, right, Direk? Na parang after a year, and with all the challenges in between. And as a first-time producer, sabi ko, wow, ganito pala mundo. Parang bakit ko pinasok to? Pero on the flip side, I realized na parang bayanihan pala talaga. Nakita ko when people, put efforts all together because they believe in the cause. So I think that's where the power is.
Direct?
The challenge is still there. Yung voice, we would like to be the voice for the voiceless. Yun yung sinasabi namin sa film. Because there are many issues that we do not look into as Filipinos, even in the movie industry. Ang hirap po talaga namin, Ms. March, na patunayan na kaya nating mga Pilipino producers and filmmakers na magkaroon din ng boses in the entertainment world. Kasi mismo, nahirapan po kami na even sa bookings, kahit na sa screenings, but then, that is good. Kasi lahat yun, even Met, we had Met, grabe, it was historical last March 8. Hindi namin na-expect na ganun yung turnout. And then we have also people wanting to help us. We don't have much budget for PR, for marketing like the other big companies. But then, we have a big support. Yun lang po yung aming, and we have a big God to hold on.
At saka just the fact na nandito kayo, isa yun sa mga challenges na parang we really feel grateful for that all of you are here. It's a small victory in our way for us kasi 'di ba ayun na nga syempre pag ibang movie pag sobrang star-studded cast pag alam mo yun it's easier to invite but just having you here just means everything, so thank you for supporting.
RM?